Just when the chilli seem ready for outdoor permanent life, the temperatures have dropped again. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Happy Friday to you all. It is Friday the 29th of May 2026 and it is day 103 of the chilli grow up. Now last night it dropped to about 14 degrees. I left them outside because we had this gentle breeze, as you can see, going on right now. I thought they'll be okay. And as you can see, they are okay. Now the temperatures tonight and for the next 4 or 5 days are going to be dropping between 9 and 12 degrees. So sadly, they're going to have to come back in for a little bit. But let's have a little check through some of them, make sure everything's okay. They're looking great in my opinion. I see no issues. A few issues with these two here. We'll have a closer look, but I think the rest are doing just fine indeed. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a lovely week so far. Me, Lucy and Ted having a great time, aren't we, girl? Yeah, Ted's inside having a snooze. I thought I'd bring her out and get some sun. Alright, let's do this. Let's start day 103. Fried egg. Enjoy, buddy. Thank you. So I haven't checked this tub in a while, and as you can see, it all needs a bit of water and fertilizer. As you can see, there's a little shimmer there, so it looks like a slug or a snail has been across there. And then looking at this one, looks like somebody's had a nice feast. So we'll get rid of that leaf and let the energy work on the rest of the plants. But let's take a closer look. Let's just check them over quickly. Potted Armageddon here, and he's doing fantastic. Just look at those leaves. Dark green. New leaves coming through in the middle. Lovely thick stem. Everything's looking lovely. Doing perfect on the Armageddon. Smallest Carolina Reaper here. And as you can see, small but good. Doing great. Roots still need a bit of time. Making their way down, look. Starting to collect on the bottom though. Won't be long on the Carolina Reaper. Got a Cayenne here. I did have to clip the one leaf because it looks like it was dinner for a slug, snail or some other critter. But this one's looking great. Look, all those new shoots starting to form. I mean, big bushy plant, and those roots are coming along great as well. Perfect on the Cayenne. A couple of Zebrange here. Now this one, I'm going to assume still got a little bit of water in it, a little bit waterlogged. I hope that's all it is, and the leaves are going to bounce back, because as you can see, not looking good at all. Now I was going to give it some fertilizer and water because the top is dry, but as you can see, as we move further down, it still seems quite dry. I'm going to give it a little bit, but a little concerning. And then we got the other one here, look, doing absolutely fantastic. Very strange. New shoots coming out there, look. And nice big roots coming through on the bottom. So yeah, we'll have to keep a close eye on this one. Hopefully he survives on the Zebrange. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Looking fantastic. Look at those roots. Beautiful, beautiful. Needs transplanting very soon. But looking great on the Scotch Bonnet MOA. Kashmiri Mirch here. Doing good. The leaves are a little bit droopy, a little bit sad. But the soil is super dry. And even if I squeeze the bottom, it does feel very dry. Now I thought I may have overwatered it, but I think it needs a bit more nutrients, a bit more fertilizer, and probably a grow bag by now. But for now, we'll give it a bit of fertilizer and see how it goes on the Kashmiri Mirch. A Sugar Rush Peach Stripey here, looking lovely, and we're kind of getting, do you see those like new shoots off the leaves there? Very interesting. Looking good though. Again, this tub very dry, needs some more water and fertilizer, but the roots are coming along great. Lovely. Sugar Rush Peach Jalapeño. Look at these new leaves, just perfect. Lovely and green, gotten so much taller, and honestly it's ready for a transplant very soon. Looking awesome. Black Jalapeno. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Lots of new leaves and new shoots coming out the middle there. Nice dark green leaves. Yeah, looking great. And all those roots, look. Be transplanting very soon on this Scotch Bonnet MOA. Look at our Padrón. Huge, huge, huge. Loads of new leaves. Gotten so much taller. New shoots coming there and there, look. Looking great. Definitely needs a bit of water and fertilizer. But yeah, no issues on the Scotch Bonnet MOA that we transplanted. Now we've got lots of new shoots coming at the side here. Just a little concern because these leaves, I've got to remove that one, look. And this one's not looking good either. So we're running out of leaf options. So hopefully, once we remove this one should be better. But as far as I can tell, we should be okay once we do that. But we're running out of leaves on this Scotch Bonnet MOA. We're going to have to give it a little bit of time and see if it makes it. Here's our Zimbabwe Black. Looking nice. Still quite small, but lots going on. Very nice indeed. The Zimbabwe Black. Got our ghost pepper here. Looking alright. Leaves might be a bit droopy. They're okay. Lots of new shoots in the middle there. Doing good on the ghost pepper. Got our sweet banana here. And as always, no complaints. Hasn't grown too much recently, but doing fine. No issues on the sweet banana. Here's our Scotch Bonnet MOA that was super short, super tiny. Look at him now. Shows what a bit of sunshine and fertilizer will do. Just beautiful. Really, really nice. Looking great on the Scotch Bonnet MOA. Over Poblano. Look how beautiful. So good. I've had to put a full size support cane in him now. Massive, lovely stems. Doing great on the Poblano. The Mirch Masalas in the sea propagators. Just look how good they're doing. They're already getting their second set, they're getting their true leaves. These first set of leaves are known as the seed leaves. And then these little leaves coming through in the middle, that's the true leaves. And I can't believe they've already got the true leaves. There we go. So you remember I said there was a mystery because this one didn't grow through and then this one had two. So I was like, okay, mystery solved. There's two there, but now this one sprouted, so I'm not sure. So all were successful and this one has two for some reason. But look, already got their true leaves. Looking just fantastic. They're going to be really, really good plants. I can see this happening. Really productive. They're going to do really, really, really well. The Mirch Masala in the sea propagator. Plants have had a bit of water and fertilizer. They've really taken it in these last few days, especially with this warmer weather. Really soaked it up well. But they're looking good, aren't they? There's a few that we need to keep an eye on. You know, they're coming along nicely, though. They're adapting well. And it's a shame that we are going to have to bring them in tonight and for the next 4 or 5 nights, just because it's going to be too cold for them. But that's alright, that's absolutely fine. They can come inside in the night, and then in the daytime we'll bring them right back out. But I think all in all they are looking very good. Very, very good. Pretty much all of them are in perfect condition. Let's wrap up day 103. I want to thank you all for joining us today on our journey from seed to harvest. We really appreciate it. It means the world to me. If you are enjoying this, please don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll keep you updated on our daily vlogs. thank you all so much for joining us today. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope you're doing something really fun and special and things that you like and love doing. And if you're not, I hope it's a peaceful, relaxing one. You take care of yourself. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you Saturday for day 104. Thank you. Bye-bye.